I must underline the fact that the PKK, PYD, YPG are all the same terrorist organizations commanded by the same terrorist group. Among the NATO allies, Turkey is one of the countries that has unfortunately suffered the most from terrorism and has long been fighting it. The PKK, a terrorist organization, has killed more than 40,000 of our citizens. The PKK has been maintaining an active presence in Turkey, Iraq, Iran, and Syria, as well as in some European countries. They are misleading the international community by using different names. The PKK, KCK, PYD, YPG, PJAK, YBS, and the YJS are all terrorist organizations with the same ideology. The Syrian crisis gave the PKK the opportunity to promote the YPG, its branch in Syria. Exploiting the vacuum, the PKK-YPG is using every opportunity to change the demographic structure of northern Syria, as reported by Human Rights Watch. The weapons, ammunition, and the equipment given to PKK-YPG by the US and other coalition forces, supposedly to fight Daesh and end up being used against our forces. We have long been warning all our friends against the dangerous consequences of arming and fully supporting the PKK-YPG terrorist organization in Syria. We are fighting several terrorist organizations simultaneously inside and outside our borders, including the PKK, PYD, YPG, as well as the Fethullahist terrorist organization and Daesh, also known as ISIS. As a matter of fact, in 2016, we conducted Operation Euphrates Shield against Daesh and neutralized more than 3,000 radical Daesh terrorists. 3,000 radical Daesh terrorists. Actually, we had wanted to conduct this operation against Daesh together with our US American partners. However, this unfortunately did not happen. With regard to the F-35 program, the US government's own reports have shown that Turkey's suspension from the program has brought production risks for critical components of the F-35 aircraft, delaying their production timeline and increasing their cost. They should reconsider their decision after they listen to me. Turkish defense industry has continued to supply key parts of the aircraft despite the panic and our unjust suspension from the F-35 program. I wish to underline that Turkey is not just a customer of the F-35 program, but a partner. This is an important issue. Also, accept what Mr. Trump before the media during one of those gatherings. The security of F-35 technology is just as vital for Turkey as it is for the United States. We are ready to address any US concerns about the S-400 F-35 compatibility issue on a technical basis.